Hi folks, Kevin here. Sorry about how messy I am. It's August 16th, 2017. This morning I posted a video going over the collection of a swarm that was in this tree. I posted it this morning, shot the video yesterday. I've been working out in the keyhole garden and driving back and forth with rocks again. And lo and behold, another swarm. So I'll show you that. So I'm right here, just a couple feet away. This is a ginkgo tree. Going up the ladder. Another fairly small swarm. I hope this is showing up. So let's see if we can collect this one and get them set up into a hive with 1.5 boxes of honey and pollen. I'm going to hold this for a minute. Not sure if this showed up on the screen. Unfortunately, when dislodging this one, quite a few of the bees shook off. Hopefully the queen is still in here. So I have my entrance section to the hive down below. That's a screen bottom. The first box has top bars in it so that they can actually build comb down. This box is actually an empty one. Again, this one's a little bit too long, unfortunately, and kind of gangly. There are some bees still down my sleeves. So we'll keep our fingers crossed and hope that the queen is there and that the workers and the queen feel comfortable enough with this setup that we've given them that they don't abscond and just leave the hive. I've had that happen before, but each time, every year, I'm learning new things and trying to work with them as best as I can. So I'll probably post this tomorrow morning. We'll see. And if you found this interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask questions, leave comments. We're treatment-free bee stewards. I really don't consider myself a beekeeper. And please don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.